Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically record in RH Studio on your mobile phone. So I am right now on my PC, but this also works for mobile phone. If I record Roblox on my mobile phone, I think it might just explode because my phone gets really hot when I play Roblox. So you are going to just go to the settings tab here. Scroll down to graphics settings. For the camera mode, I suggest follow body, and for the field of view, I suggest micro so that you can use your mouse, not your mouse, your screen to like zoom in and zoom out. Once you're done setting that up, just select the dance move that you want, of course. I'll just select one real quick. And yeah, that is pretty much it. You can kind of zoom in and zoom out. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!